you guys have come up with a GreenDot operating system, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you share a little bit more about what that is and what that means?
Yeah, Chance, GreenDot is really just a name that we've given to our organizational development system. And GreenDot is really a way of doing business that Ben and I have codified over the years. And from all of our time of owning and operating successful landscape companies and consulting around the industry, we've been able to identify and document a set of best practices that we believe every great organization needs to master in order to be successful. And GreenDot is really a combination of business philosophy, systems, processes, business tools, and key performance indicators that all work together to help grow companies and help them be more profitable. So it's a system of doing business, and that's what we introduced to the industry.
And it's not, it doesn't even sound like it's specific to the landscaping industry. It's a approach to doing business and creating accountability within the business and financial accountability as well as, responsibility of operating the business.
It is, Chancellor, I really feel like that's kind of what differentiates Envisor Consulting from maybe other consultants that are in our space. And there's a lot of really smart, qualified guys out there that consult to the same industry, but we've systematized the business side of it, come up with an approach that, it's one thing to have a lot of good ideas. Mm-hmm. It's another thing to put them in a system. And it's a whole lot easier to prioritize and understand the context of the initiatives that you need to have within a system than just have a set of good ideas.